Welcome to It's Rafiq. In today's video I am going to show you how you can create a simple spreadsheet in MS Excel from your mobile. Even you can do it in your computer. If you have computer at home, you can do it from computer also. But in today's video I am going to show you specially how you can do in mobile. First of all, you will go to Play Store and there you will search MS Excel. Type MS Excel and search and install the application. After installing MS Excel, open the app and it will ask you for permission. Allow it. Allow the permission. Then it will show like that: sign in or sign up for free and sign in later. If you have a Microsoft account or if you want to create an account, you can do it. Otherwise you can tap on sign in later and you can go to next. You can choose anyone. If you want to share your data, accept, otherwise don't send optional data, and close. After that, to create an spreadsheet, new spreadsheet, tap on plus sign, then blank workbook. After creating a blank workbook, you will see here columns are name is A, B, C and rows are numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So suppose I am going to create a simple mark sheet. First I will write here roll number, roll, and second column name, third column subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4 and total. Now the roll number column we don't require that much big, so you will tap on between A and B and you will drag it and make it little bit smaller. And name column will need little bigger one, so tap on between B and C and drag it little bit more. So this one done. Now you have to put border around the cell. For that, first you will, suppose I am going to insert 5 student mark, so I will select total 6 row from roll and you drag it down till 6 row you select. After selecting, tap on the arrow sign and here you will get border option, borders, and select the first one, all borders. So now you will see here the border appeared. Now put background color. Suppose the heading where I put the roll number, name and all, I want to put background color. So you will select the first line and tap on this bucket icon and from here you can choose any color. Now you will write the roll numbers. Suppose roll number 1, 2, 3 and names are suppose Disha, Ali, Abhi, and marks, put any marks. Suppose 77, 75, 81, 90 and here 55, 45, 56, 7, 2 and the last one 32, 33, 41, 26. Now you have to do the total. To do the total, first select on total and tap on the arrow sign and here you will get auto sum option. So drag it down. This one is auto sum option, so select auto sum and select sum and tap on tick sign. So this one done. Again you select the second line from 55 till 72, again select on auto sum, So this one also total done, and for third one also do similar way. Select the line, auto sum and sum. So this way we did the totaling part. We can even write formulas, we'll learn it later. Now this way you can create a simple mark sheet. Now suppose you want to write mark sheet above the mark sheet, so you have to insert one new row. For that, select line number 1. To select line number 1, you will tap on 1. Now you will put here this icon 1 2 3 4 fifth icon, not fifth icon, that one, tap on there, and he will get here insert tab. Tap on 1 and you will get here one option insert, so you can write it insert and select the first line till roll to total, and you can make it merge, means everything will make it together. For that you will go to home tab, and here you will get merge option, merge and center. So this is done, and here you can write result sheet. So this way you can create a simple mark sheet in MS Excel from your mobile. You can do this work even from your from Google Sheets if already installed in your mobile. So I am going to show you this one also, how you can do it from Google Sheet. First install Google Sheet in your mobile, and after installing this screen will appear. If you didn't create any file, then it will be totally blank and one plus sign will be there. So tap on the plus sign and select new spreadsheet. After selecting new spreadsheet, you will have like this same way as similar you can see on Microsoft Excel, ABC and 1 2 3 and all. There you can select the first line till F and make it merge, and here you can write result sheet. And second row you can write here roll number, name, then subject 1, subject 2, like this one. And to put border around the cell, you select the cell, and from here this option near fill color, this 4 rectangle, select this one and select the first one. So you can put border like this way, and to resize the column you can drag it. Like suppose I want to put the roll number column smaller, so between A and B I want to make name column bigger between B and C, and you can make it big, and like this way you can do. And to put background color, select the first line and tap on fill color. From here you can choose the color, suppose yellow, so this way. And to share the file with your teachers, tap on 3 dots, and here you will get share and export. You can select share, and here select send a copy. Select the first one only, then select WhatsApp and select the contact, and you can share like that way. Even you can share the Microsoft Excel file. For that, open the Excel app, so this one my Excel app. To share this one, you tap on the share icon, and here you will get option share as attachment. Select this one and select workbook, and from here it will show you WhatsApp option. You can select WhatsApp, and you can select the contact to whom you want to send the file, and you can send it. So this way you can create a simple spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets whichever is your favorite. To do that, you have to download the app, either Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Both are similar with some different features. So today's assignment is create this marksheet in Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel and submit it to me. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.